So just got home, got the mail, got my Forte's parts connection order. I got 2 clutch cables. Figure I'll keep an extra one on hand just in case this happens again. I'm sure it will at some point, but these are pretty tough. Mike hooked me up. I ordered one late at night and came through for me within about 3 days. Worked out pretty good, thanks Mike. Even with a bum hand, Mike took care of me. Alright, so to replace this clutch cable, I had to take the cover off to get above the driver's side foot box. Then, see the clutch cable running right along through there. I got an adjustable mount there. Cable goes down to the bell housing and into the clutch arm there. So, got to, as you can see, my Stewie Griffin Racing clutch, I forget what that's called, the clutch arm there. So I'll pop that piece off, as you can see there, that I'm moving around. Pop that off, put the other one in, route it down around, and plug it in down there. That's what I'm getting ready to do now. Okay, so here's my broken clutch cable and my Mike Forte's parts connection heavy duty cable. So, as you can see, it broke here, right down by the shift arm there, shift lever. So this will go in that spot, go up to the adjuster, and I'm gonna have to modify this. Just take this off. Once I get that off, it'll be the same as this one here. It'll go right into my adjuster. I put my own adjuster on here where I can adjust, twist it out, tighten it up. Hopefully I can get it in here to show you. Yeah, twist that right there, and it tightens the cable up. So, loosen it all the way back up. And getting ready to connect it down below, bring it on up, hook it here, or hook it on that arm right there. It looks like Stewie Griffin's head, and tighten her up. And in the process, I'm going to end up taking off this bracket here. This worked really good with the Mustang, I'm sure, but I don't have a Mustang, so that's coming off. All right, so I got the this boot off. Normally, I guess, without an adjuster like I got, you would mount this right on your foot box, but I got rid of this so that I could have the adjustable one. So this was the factory 5 one, and this is, flip it around, and this is the Mike Forte's parts connection heavy duty one. This was tough to get off, this one. I had to use a razor knife there to get it off, but then again, this one is way tougher. It seems way tougher than the factory 5 one, so anyway, I took the bracket off. It just comes right off. This ferrule, or whatever you want to call it on here, it's got a little dimple right there, so it's pretty well staying there. I'm going to leave that there. And it goes around to here, so I'm ready to stick this in. I'm going to take the other one apart too, because I ordered 2 of these from Mike Forte, and I'm going to go ahead and strip this one down just like this one, so that I can keep it in the trunk. So if this ever happens again, all I need is, I believe, is a 1/2 wrench, and I forgot what size I need to get my cover off here to get to the top of the clutch. But so yeah, don't need many tools. Well, a jack maybe. I'm working on that. Working on a just-in-case kit for the Cobra. But all right, I'm gonna stick this thing in. All right, so clutch cable's in down below. There on the shift fork, little rounded part fits right in that little recessed area. Slides through the bell housing and makes its way up. One thing I forgot to mention is there's these 4 little clips. There's one there, there, and I just cut this one off. You just want to, I can focus here. You just want to cut those off with the razor knife, and then it'll be a little bit easier to slide this piece off. But you'll need to get that off in order to get it to go through your adjustable clutch adjuster if you're running one. So knock those little tabs off there with the razor knife, and it should come out a lot easier. All right, so here's my spare clutch cable, prepped and ready for the trunk. part of my just-in-case stuff. This one here, I was able to take it off without hacking it up because I remembered that these pieces had to be trimmed off. Made it a whole lot easier. So, that's it. Clutch cable's in. The MK4 clutch is so much smoother than the Factory 5 clutch cable. I didn't know that that was possible, but it's really smooth.